Alright guys, another day on the Bel Air. Today I'm going to start trying to get this leaky heater core out. I've already drained most of the coolant out. And so here is all the AC stuff underneath the dash. I don't know how much I'm going to have to pull apart to get it out. But I'm going to take my time, try not to break anything. The heater core is back inside this box. Another thing, I found a Bel Air emblem, so that's fixed. And I'll make another video when I get a little farther. Alright, I've been working on this for about an hour, and there it is, the dreaded heater core, and as you can see, it's shot, totally leaking. Two observations. One, without all this AC stuff here in the dash, I'm sure this job would have been a lot easier. Here's the cover for it, down on the ground. The other only casualty we had was a glove box insert. I guess I'll have to buy a new one. But that one's it's designed to fold together so you can get it out. But the fact that that one's 60 years old, it doesn't fold very well anymore, and it just totally broke. So sadly, I'm gonna have to get another one. But luckily, this is next, so we'll see what happens. And there it is. We got it out. Here's a new one that's going to go in. Here's the old one. This thing's already leaking just sitting here. So, definitely not good. Leaks all the way up to the top. So there it is. Put that down there. Here's the big gaping hole. Alright, let's install a new one. Alright, we got her back together, motor's running. As of now, there's no leaks. We do have to wait for the thermostat to open and the system pressurize and heat up, but I got my fingers crossed, we're good, so we'll see. Alright, we got the car up to temperature, top of the radiator's hot, and as of now, we don't have any leaks. Yet. I think we're gonna do okay. I pushed the air button down all the way. That lets water into the heater core, and I think we're okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put it all back together. Alright, we got everything back together, and the last thing we did was fix the glove box light. And there it is. So now that works. And that's it for today. Alright, decided to take a little drive in the 58 since we got it to not leak. Just drive a little bit around the block. Try not to hit my neighbors. Thank you. I feel like I've been driving this car in forever. Which would probably be about right. Switch hands. I saw the police. We'll follow them. It's a better place to be behind them than in front of them. It's gonna be a short drive anyway. Just really around the block.